Hello student, today I am going to discuss the most tricky and most easy question of JEE Advance 2026 paper 2. So far you have seen all kind of solution for this question and you might be wondering like if you have missed something, is it a new question concept in this question? So let's see how in one line we can solve this question. So you need to get into the intention of the examiner, what he wants to, what he is asking. Let's see. So if you see the expression of the force here, in the expression of force you can see it is similar to our expression of gravitational force. So if I compare it with gravitational force, easily I can write it as G m1 m2 by r square. So definitely it has to do something with the gravitational force. And think of a motion where angular momentum is conserved and radius keeps changing. What that kind of motion is? The motion is elliptical motion. So you need to compare the motion of this particle with elliptical motion. Once you compare the motion of this particle with ellipse, you will get your answer. So what is the max distance you will get? You will get r plus delta r. What is the minimum distance you will get better? You will get r minus delta r. So what is the time period for this kind of motion? So there is a hint itself, there is a hint in the question. It is saying it is very periodically. So many solutions they are saying it will oscillate and something like that, but it is a periodic motion. So simply you can write the time period for this as t square is equal to 4 pi square by gm into r cube. That's it. Just substitute the value of r in terms of L and you will get your answer A. Thank you.